Do you want to delete the group member tag on WhatsApp? You can edit a WhatsApp group member's role with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a group member tag or edit your role on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, tap on the group chat where you want to change your role. Now, tap on the group name at the top of the screen to open group info. Scroll down the member list until you find your name. Tap on your name from the list of members. A new menu will appear. From here, tap on Edit Member Tag. If you want to edit the role, simply remove your old role and type your new role. To delete the tag, tap on the delete icon at the top of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, select the delete option. After that, the list will update to show your new status.